Hey guys, this is Blaine with Bar Shield, here to talk to you about my general clean and jerk warm up. So typically I'll start out with the cross ball on my upper back and pecs. I'm just kind of open all of that up. Then followed by a barbell in the rack. I typically use the bar to roll out my triceps, especially the part closest to your elbow. That tends to be pretty tight on most people, so open that up. Then I'm going to do my unilateral preacher stretch. So I take this hand, go behind me to my opposite shoulder, and then press that into the bar, press your head through. Doing it unilaterally allows you to kind of focus on each joint, right and left, individually, because usually they're a little bit different with their strengths and mobilities. Then finally, you're gonna grab the bar, start moving with it a little bit. I usually do like RDLs, clean high pulls, followed by muscle cleans. Then I'll go down into front squats. I'll sit with the bar on my knees in the front squat, kind of mobilize the bottom of that squat, and then followed by shoulder to overhead stuff, so strict press, push press, jerk footwork, kind of getting ready for the full spectrum of potential clean and jerk drills. And then from there, you should be good to go, hit your warm-up sets and get into those working sets and lift heavy. So if you guys have any questions about any of that, feel free to reach out to us. Until next time, see you guys later.